Hi everyone. So in this video we'll talk about static keyword, how it actually works with the class methods. Whenever you want to access a method inside a class, there are always two ways of accessing it. The first way is at the instance level, the second way is at the class level. So first we'll see an example of instance level, then we'll see an example of class level. So we need two methods here, get name. So it will return a property underscore name. Then we need a method to set the name, and it will set the property underscore name. Now let's create an instance. So it will be varemp new employee. It's time to set the name. So let's make it James. It's time to get the name, so let's get the name, save it, and this is the output. Now it's time to have some static method, so we'll make use of static keyword. We'll change the case of a string, so let's make it change case. It will take a string and simply return it, so it will be value dot to uppercase. We'll make it uppercase. Now we don't need this piece of code because we will make use of this class name here. So it will be console log employee, which is the class name you can see here, and this static method which is change case. Okay, and let's make it James in the lower case, and this will be output. So you can see we don't need an instance, we can simply access this method. And these two methods are instance level methods, so you cannot access them here. You cannot make employee.setName, employee.getName. You can also use static keyword with the get and set methods. So just modify this piece of code and let's make it get name and set name, and add a static keyword here and static keyword here. Now just delete this piece of code. So we'll make use of employee dot name. So we want to set the name. So in this case, let's make Robert. Now make use of console log to get that name. So it will be employee dot name. Save it, and that's the output. Just for the change, you can make it Mary. Save it, and this is the output. So all these methods are static methods which you can access at the class level without creating any object or instance. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.